Hey, welcome to the Dennis Kirk YouTube channel. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We post content every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Look, I know it's a lot, but if you'd like to stay up to date with all of the latest gear, parts, and accessories, simply click on the bell notification button. This is located on the lower right-hand side of your screen. This will ensure that you never miss a video. Dennis Kirk carries over 160,000 items in product, and that number continues to grow by the second. ATV, UTV parts?
Better believe it, bud.
Motorcycle accessories? Yep. Dirt bike apparel? Yeah. Look, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you'd like. Smash it if that's something you're into. And remember, Dennis Kirk would like to personally thank each and every one of you for becoming a part of the Dennis Kirk team. We'll see you guys out there.